Hey, it's that slightly contagious Boy Okina. Don't mind my voice, I'm feeling a little under the weather today. I just have a stuffed nose and a banging head. Shout out to my dad, thanks for letting me know how that feels. I'm also a little upset. As you can see right here, my screen protector has broken. As well as my sickness today, today's not going well. But it's a perfect opportunity to go ahead and take this screen protector off and show you how to go ahead and replace that. It's broken, just like my heart. What a coincidence. It's February 14th. Does that mean it's Valentine's Day? Huh, another year without a Valentine. Let's go ahead and continue to the replacement screen protector. I went ahead and got screen protectors online by Orsley. Premium tempered screen protectors for your Switch. It says 2 times. When I looked online, I thought I was getting 3 glasses. I'll go ahead and send you the link in the description down below. I'll be really disappointed if there's not 3 screen protectors in here. I paid the extra buck for that extra screen protector. Let's go and take a look what we got. Just playing around. It was close though. With the box open, we can now open the packages here. As you can see, we got our wipes and we got our microfiber cloth. Let's see how much screen protectors we actually have. Just as I thought, just 2 screen protectors. So not only am I sick today, not only did someone break my screen, but I also got gypped on Amazon. Oh well, there's no use in returning these. They're about $7. Or $10 if you thought you were getting 3. We're now going to remove the screen protector here. Be careful while lifting it. You can cut your fingers. And it can scratch your screen if you're too rough. It'll break the glass and scratch it underneath. We've successfully taken the glass off. As you can see here, it's pretty broken up at the corner. Came off pretty easy, just like my mom. Let's go ahead and wipe it down with our alcoholic wipes, get it with our microfiber cloth, and then install the new glass. Each company does give you these sticky stickers to lift any dust particles that you have on your screen. I find that these leave streaks, so I don't like using them. I'm going to go ahead and just put the screen on, and we'll take it from there. We got the screen laid down and square. As you can see, we got some air bubbles underneath the screen. Each company also gives you a I guess, card, you would call this. We're gonna go ahead and use this to get the air bubbles out. What I like doing, so there's no risk of scratching your screen, is to go ahead and put the paper you wrapped up underneath on top so you don't scratch your screen. You'll just scratch the plastic. We now got the bubbles out, except this one right here. It's a little tricky. I'll go and work on that one a little bit later. A quick follow-up. The air bubbles have made their way out of the screen protector from the Switch. This happened after a day or two. I'm guessing the heat and pressure from my bag went ahead and extinguished that last air bubble at the top left-hand corner. But that's all you need to know to go ahead and put on your screen protector. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, follow, and subscribe. Does keep the content coming. and I'll be doing some future giveaways on the custom controllers that I make. Go and check those videos out. Again, it's your boy Okina, always building. See you on the next episode.